What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to show you how to schedule out Facebook posts on your desktop device in your page, which is where I'm at right now. Now what you need to know is that there are different ways that you can schedule Facebook posts out in a future date and time. There's the mobile device, which is the one that I personally use most often. There's the desktop device in the Facebook scheduler, which is a different page than I'm on right now. I'll leave links to those places after, or rather below this video. And then there's also the option which I'm going to be talking about today. So that option is, let's say that you're on your Facebook page and you're just trying to put out a new post or new Reels video, whatever the case is, and you decide that, hey, maybe right now is not the best time to publish it, let me do it at a later date and time. You don't need to go to the Facebook scheduler on your desktop, you don't need to go on your mobile device to do this, you can do it within the post itself. So here's an example of how this looks and works. So I'm on my page right now, and here is a post that I just created. It's simply a question. I find that these get a lot of engagement, and so what I'm going to do is, whatever the post is, I'm just going to click on next, and right here where it says scheduling options, all you need to do is just click on it and then select a date and time that you want this published for, and that really is all that there is to it. So that makes 3 different ways that you can schedule out posts in a future date. Maybe you're sitting on your desktop right now and you just have a whole bunch of files that you want to upload in a future time. This would be a really convenient option for you to use, and I actually find it to be a bit more convenient than the Facebook scheduler in the desktop option, and in some ways a little bit more convenient than the mobile option, but it's all circumstantial. So this is just another way that you can do it. See if that works for you, give it a try, and if you have any questions about this, let me know. But as usual, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.